Yum! Cardboard.
How's it going, YouTube Nation? I'm giving another update on my do-it-yourself, made-from-scratch horror board game. What I'm going to show you in this one is something that a friend asked me about, and he asked me about the devil right there. Where did I get that design? Satan coming out of the volcano. Uh, when I first decided to make this concept, here's a better rendition up close of him. When I first created this concept, um, I didn't have it linked to anything. It was again just raw, brand new. Wasn't sure what I was going to do. But when I decided that the devil is going to be the focal point of who you're going to go after and try to escape from, I needed an image to use. So what I did is I went to a comic book that I self-published quite some years ago called Enter the World of Mephistopheles. This game wasn't originally linked to this comic book. I just wanted that image of the devil, which you see. This is the only comic book I've ever published, which is my own artwork. I'm not a fan of drawing. I prefer to write, and I actually wrote this original story way back when I was in elementary school, funny enough. Very dark tale of a psychopath that ate people and then he died, and Satan loved what he did so much they sent him back to Earth to continue eating people, but he got his sanity back and he doesn't want to do it anymore. So it's kind of an introspective look on sanity and pain and abuse and wanting to destroy the devil and all that kind of stuff. But so this is my rendition of the devil. But in making this game, I decided, you know what? I do have this book. I do have characters that I've made in this book. So why not use them? So for instance, I have this archangel right here. He's actually an angel, but he's just as deadly as any demon, even though he's on the side of quote unquote good. So I'm going to make game cards with him, the happy face archangel, as well as one of the demon wives of the devil as well, Hala right here. So they'll be incorporated into the game as game cards. And in the next video, I will show you those game cards. And in the link below, if you're interested in my comic book here, I have a few copies. I printed less than 100 of these to sell at a horror convention in Niagara Falls, Frightmare in the Falls. Great convention. I already miss it. So information on that. So as well in the game, what I'm including is I'm going to show you this. These are soul bars. Now I'm going to reprint these because they came out darker than I wanted them to. I want them just a little bit lighter so you could see the ghost, the layout of the ghost. You can't really see the head. So I'm going to do them a little bit lighter. But these are the soul bars that players must accumulate and get an X amount before they go take on Mephistopheles. So I still have to decide how many soul bars each player receives. They will be mounted on wood. I actually have these wood pieces that are the size of these. And as I said, when I work out the rules, I'll figure out how many soul bars each player gets. And of course, with the game cards that I will introduce in the next video, that will show you how players gain or lose soul bars, and how when players go against each other, because I want a lot of competition, I want players to screw each other over for the bidding of Satan. And it doesn't matter if it's zombies or witches or demons that are coming at you or telling you to do something. The main point is to get as many soul bars, even soul bars from other players, in your own collection, and therefore you can make your way along the board, and then of course avoid getting into the pit, and then take on the devil himself. So that's just a fast update and letting you guys know how this is going along. I do have a couple of other projects I'm working on in the meantime, so it will take a wee bit of time before I come out with the next video on the game cards, but I'm really looking forward to that. And the game cards are really going to set the tone of how this game is going to play. I'm really excited to show that to you guys. And also by that time, I'll also have some game pieces looking good and presentable to add to the game as well. So thanks a lot for watching, and hope you're liking this so far.